In the face of an outrageous economy, acquiring skills that enables you to cut down all your expenditures to the lowest barest minimum is a wise deal. And that is why I present to you how to make this special homemade bread just for you and family with few ingredient recipes resulting to low cost expenditure with a mouth-gumming and melting properties. I'm sure you will save your money for other important things after your first encounter with this cute recipe. So, kindly bake with me if you wouldn't mind. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com. And we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. And for this homemade bread recipe, you will need a quarter teaspoon of salt and a cup of liquid or reconstituted milk of your choice. 1.5 tablespoons of yeast, 62.5 gram or a quarter sachet of margarine. Then a cup of water is involved. 500 gram of all-purpose flour and 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And finally, it's our liquid condensed milk flavor, which is recommendably added to a taste. Now we begin the procedure of the mixing by adding all the flour into our bowl, followed by the addition of yeast. I'll quickly go ahead and mix it up with the flour. This is because yeast can easily be deactivated when exposed to air. Please take this point serious whenever mixing your bread because it's the reason why most people's bread never turn out good. Now add a cup of milk. Your quarter teaspoon of salt goes in next, followed by your margarine. Your sugar also is incorporated alongside with a cup of water. And now that almost all the ingredients has been added, partially mix this with your spatula to combine. Before infusing into your bread mixture, 2 teaspoons of liquid condensed milk flavor. And once you're done with the partial spatula mixing of the whole mixture, come on. Go ahead and mix into smoothness either with your bare hand or with your mixer. I added another half cup of water off camera when I discovered that the dough mixture is still strong. And if you're kneading with bare hand, you will need 15 to 20 minutes consistent kneading before you get to the desired dough texture. Now, sprinkle some flour to your table, transfer the dough to the table, give it a quick massage, and then mold into a round ball shape by bringing in the off edge of the dough to the center. And here is what I mean. So I quickly flip to the other side and get my round dough ball. So transfer the ball to your bowl. Seal up with a fan and allow to rest for an hour. And here is the 50-minute result of our raisin bread dough. Now, to avoid thickening, you can grease surfaces with flour or oil. The next step is to divide the dough into desired sizes of your pan and roll each cut into a round ball shape, as we are going to ferment the dough again for the second time. So repeat the shaping process for the rest of the bread dough. So may I quickly point out that this method of bread making requires some amount of time, but the result at the end worth it. So cover with your clothes and allow to prove for another 50 minutes for the second time. Wow! You can see the dough has doubled in size. So I'll gently pull them to the sides in order to create a working space for each of the dough. So I gently pick one of the dough and give it a quick massage just to offload some of the carbon dioxide, and then I will fold into a triangle-like shape, just like so. Now once the triangle is successfully formed, go ahead and roll the dough either from the up or from the down, and you get your roll. And this is the perfect way to get a smooth blend of bread roll. And then repeat this process for the rest of the bread roll. Now to our pan, grease with some oil round about the pan, and then sprinkle some flour on the surface of the pan, just to aid easy removal. So gently place it in your pan and allow to rest. Into the other pan, do same and arrange your dough in the other pan completely. Now allow to rise again for the third time, only for about 40 minutes. I would strongly recommend you heat up your oven 15 minutes before the recommended time. And it is 40 minutes now. Let's quickly check the bread now. Wow! Wow! Can you see the level at which the bread has risen to in our pan? This is good. I mean, this is real good. I must say that. Now, without waste of our time, let's transfer them into our baking pan and place them in our already preheating oven and bake at 180 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes. In fact, until it is brown at the outer crust. Man, just look at the authentic homemade bread. Isn't it beautiful? Soft and tender and brown on the crust. This bread is nice and has the quality of the bread you normally yearn for. And with these skills that you've acquired today, why waste the money? So let's remove the bread from the pan and grease with margarine, which provides shiny and attractive bread look on the crust. And if you've been watching till now, I appreciate you, and it means you like the video. So please like what you like by clicking the like button. And follow us if you've not done so for more interesting food recipes like this, and save your money and make your family happy as well. But wait, if you were to buy this quantity and quality of bread from the market, how much will it cost you? Please let me know in the comment section, and I will tell you the total amount of money I spent making this bread just with 4 cups of flour or 500 grams of flour. Let's see if you've been wasting money or not. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and follow us in all our social media handle at Salpe's Kitchen. You can visit our website at salpesfoodblog.com. Until I come your way next time. Bye.